Hey everyone, welcome back to Glitch Sip. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get free race rerolls in the Forge on Roblox and how you can reroll your race without spending any Robux. A lot of players think you have to pay to reroll your race, but that's not true. There is a free method, and I'll explain it step by step. The main and confirmed way to get free race rerolls in the Forge is by leveling up your character. As you progress and reach certain levels, the game rewards you with free race rerolls. You don't need to buy anything, and you don't need Robux. You simply earn them through normal progression. Because of this, the best strategy is to focus on leveling up as efficiently as possible. So let's talk about how to level up faster. First, focus on fighting strong enemies. Higher level enemies give more experience, especially elite mobs. The best zones for leveling up are Ruined Cave, Forgotten Kingdom, Volcanic Depths, and Goblin Cave. These areas have stronger enemies and much better XP gains. Second, use any XP boosts or buffs if they're available. Long farming sessions and avoiding low-level zones will also help you gain experience faster. Third, upgrade your gear. Better weapons and tools allow you to kill enemies faster, which means more experience per hour and more chances to earn free race rerolls. Now, once you have a race reroll, here's how to do it. Open the game menu, go to the race section, select Reroll Race, and use your free race reroll. After confirming, your race will change to a random one. Keep in mind that you cannot choose a specific race. Rerolls are completely random, and rare races have lower chances. It's also possible to roll the same race again, so use your rerolls wisely. To summarize, yes, you can get race rerolls for free. The main method is leveling up. You do not need Robux. Farm strong enemies, level up efficiently, and use your rerolls smartly. If this guide helped you, make sure to subscribe to Glitch Sip for more Forge guides, Roblox tips, and updates. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and I'll see you in the next one.